If you've listened to much of our training, you'll know that when it comes to showing you how to find affiliate products to promote, quite often Mark refers to the ClickBank marketplace. The reason he does this is because ClickBank approves virtually everyone, unless you're from Nigeria or some other country outside their approval zones, and they have an amazing selection of products to promote with high commissions. The other reasons are most of the money that he makes comes from ClickBank. They're extremely reliable with their on-time payments, and he's built up a good relationship with them over the years. However, we want to share with you a list of other alternatives for you to consider, as we don't want our own bias to prevent you from seeing that there is a whole world of affiliate offers to promote outside of ClickBank. We think joining all 10 of these would be overkill, but billions of dollars in transactions are being made every year through these other networks, and many have fantastic offers that are not available at ClickBank. Mark has several affiliate millionaire friends who earn the majority of their income outside of ClickBank, and you may find some of these networks very useful to join. In no particular order, here they are. Plemis is very similar to ClickBank, but with different offers. It's very easy to get accepted. Market Health focuses more on health and well-being based offers, contains mostly physical products, and it's easy to get accepted. Linkshare. Linkshare is easy to get accepted and has great tracking. However, Linkshare often has lower commission rates because merchants have to pay a lot for the use of their service and technology. Their payments also often take longer than other networks. There's As Seen on PC. Relatively easy to get accepted, but they prefer if you can show an example website. They're also great because they have a lot of physical product offerings with solid payouts, which is good for your newsletter sequence if you're looking for more products to promote in a particular list or on your website. Commission Junction. They are really easy to get accepted. However, the commission rates vary wildly. Some are good and others are terrible. The interface is a little tricky at first, but easy when you've got the hang of it. There's a wide variety of offers, and some are really well known, and they offer product feeds. ShareASale. It's a good, ever-growing selection of offers. Not quite as large as Commission Junction, but on average, the commissions are much better. And again, it's relatively easy to join and use. What about Neverblue? These guys prefer intermediate and advanced affiliates, so it would be better to set up and promote a ClickBank or other affiliate product first before applying here so you can show an example of your websites. Make sure you mention you'll be sending a lot of PPC traffic, if you will be, as this is a good selling point to get yourself accepted here. They do also have great affiliate managers. There's Epic Direct. Similar to Neverblue Ads insofar as they prefer intermediate and advanced affiliates. Some good CPA offers here, but not a huge variety. That said, some affiliates are making a killing off their top few offers. And there's Affiliate.com, similar to Neverblue Ads insofar as they prefer intermediate and advanced affiliates. They have some good CPA offers here, but not a huge variety. That said, some affiliates are making a killing off their top few offers. There's Unique Leads. These guys prefer intermediate and advanced affiliates as well. They do have some great performing offers and is an up-and-coming affiliate CPA network. And there are still hundreds more networks than the ones that we've just listed. But these ones that we've just listed are ones that we know others are being hugely successful in, or where Mark himself has met personally with the networks and know of their quality and their organisation and offers. Anyway, that's all we've got time for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.